In this video, we are going to see how we can create and design a single cell data set in Tableau. So let's say we just want to format the sales. We just want to show the sales as a title and then want to show the total sales. And let's say we want to give any title to it. How do we do it? Let's see. First of all, let's insert the sheet. We have already inserted one, and let's say single cell table. Hit enter. And what we can do is just put the sales amount, let's say as a total, to marks, because all the totals are shown here. So we will directly put it in marks. And after that, we want to put into ABC the amount. So now it is showing the total amount. Let's make it even more simpler. Let me just remove all of this. And this time what we'll do is just hold the sales amount bell, and put it in the text. What this will do is it will show you the total in a single step instead of creating 2 times. After that, what we can do is just click on the text, and instead of showing this automatically, let's click on this 3 dots and add any kind of static text in the starting. Let's say total sales amount, put a colon sign. You can make it bold, you can increase the size of it, and let's click on apply. So it shows the total now like this. Similarly, if you want to edit the formatting of this area, let's click on text, and again just click on these 3 dots, and let's say that we want this to show in red and in bold. Click on apply, and that's how it is shown now. So that's how we can create a single cell table, which is a very important topic of Tableau. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.